Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot to send notifications to Slack channels step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. In the left sidebar, click on Connected Apps. Locate and select Slack from the list of apps. If you haven't connected Slack yet, click on the Connect App button. You will be redirected to Slack's authorization page. Here, choose the workspace you want to connect to HubSpot. Click on Allow to grant HubSpot permission to send notifications. Once authorized, return to your HubSpot account. Next, navigate to the Automation tab in the main menu. Select Workflows from the drop-down options. Create a new workflow or open an existing one. In the workflow editor, click on the plus sign to add an action. From the action options, choose Send a Slack notification. Select the Slack channel where you want to send notifications. Customize the message that will be sent to the selected channel. Ensure to include any dynamic content as needed for clarity. Review your workflow settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once satisfied, activate the workflow to start sending notifications. You will now receive notifications in your selected Slack channel directly from HubSpot. Check your Slack channel to verify that notifications are being sent as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.